In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add banner to Wix website. To get started, open your Wix editor and look at the left sidebar. This is where you will find the main tools for adding new content to your page. Click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. From there, choose either section or strip depending on the layout style you want to use for your banner. Both options can work well, but the goal here is to place a wide visual area on the page that will act as your banner. Once you have selected the option you want, drag a layout onto your page. Position it where you want the banner to appear. This could be near the top of the home page, or in another area where you want to highlight a message, promotion, or call to action. Make sure the layout has enough space to stand out clearly. Next, click directly on the strip you added. You should then see the option to change the strip background. Click Change Strip Background to customize the look of your banner. If you want a simple and clean design, choose color and pick a solid shade that matches your website branding. If you already have a banner graphic prepared, click Image or Video instead and upload your design from your computer. This gives you more control over the visual style and can help the banner feel more professional and branded. After setting the background, go back to the left sidebar and click Add Elements again. This time select Text and drag a heading onto your banner strip. Use this heading to add your main message. Keep it short and easy to read so visitors can understand it right away. Then return once more to Add Elements and select Buttons. Drag a call to action button onto the banner strip. This is useful if you want visitors to click through to another page, a product, a form, or any important section of your site. Place the button somewhere visible and make sure it fits neatly with the heading and background. When everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This will make your new banner live on your Wix website so visitors can see it right away. That covers everything you need to know.